going on, team? So, she broke. This is why I cannot have nice things. Alright, so I was test driving it, getting everything all set after getting the EFI set up, and I started realizing she was getting hot. Very, very hot. No idea why. So I learned two things when I was under the hood at that point. First off, I have a coolant leak that's coming from this hose. See that right there? That will be coolant. And I do not want that standing in my intake manifold. No, my intake manifold's too pretty. You gotta fix this. My intake manifold. Yeah, so shove all the paper towels on there, clean it all up. But I didn't fix the leak yet, so when I loosened the hose to reset the clamp, where's all the coolant gonna go? Yeah. This is why it takes me forever to get anything done. I need an adult. And my electric fan isn't working, and I have troubleshooted a little bit that I'm missing a ground connection here that I don't know what happened to that thing whatsoever. I can't find the cable for it. I found this, and this would be the connector that I unplugged from the ground for the fan. Yay! I know where this end plugs into, but this, I have no idea where I took this off of. Now I could easily just put this to the ground, but I don't want to because this was made for a purpose. I want to reuse it. And I mean, it's old and it's pretty brittle, so it's probably a better idea for me to make a new cable and just put it right to the ground, but I really want to know where this came from and put it back where it came from. Because I don't know, I just have to know. I gotta know. Okay, I have no idea where it goes, so I guess I'm meant to make a new cable. If you never use a pair of good wire strippers, get yourself a pair of good wire strippers. It makes wiring so much better. Stripper crimper combo. Boom. No, I don't want to use this one. I want to use the weather pack connector. I'm glad I had you. All right, so I gave up. I didn't care where the cable went. It's now connected to the battery. The next thing I'm going to fix on this is going to be this alternator. I don't think my alternator bracket's supposed to do that. All right, got the bracket off. Now we need to fix this bad boy. I mean, I think it's a little broken. I mean, little bubble gum will fix that, right? Stay, perfect. Now if I don't touch it, it's perfect. Ooh, new welding setup worked freaking fantastic. This came out so good. Now I know, everybody's like, oh, it was chrome and you painted it black. Why would you do that? To be honest, I don't care for the chrome at all. And all the other brackets on this car are black, so you want black. Plus I don't have I'm not gonna pay to get a chromed at that point. What's the freaking point? Bolt her back together. There, solid, like you never have. Woo! Make it up temp if you're still leaking. Everything is working freaking fantastic. Coolant leaks, fixed. No more coolant leaks. Fan kicks on, working perfectly. Yes! Alternator is no longer falling off the car. Check. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.